Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to share a couple of amazing deals over at Tool Nut. Everything will be linked down below. First, we have the DeWALT 12V max brushless 3/8 inch cordless impact wrench. You see it was originally $129.99. It's down to $79, but you also get a free 3 amp hour battery when you buy this item, so we're going to add it to our cart. We don't want a protection plan. That's a scam. You can see they automatically add the 3 amp hour battery to the cart. We do have a $6.99 shipping charge, but they have free shipping on orders of $99 or more, so maybe you'll find something else to go with it to get that free shipping. But $79, impact wrench and battery. If we look at some comparables, Lowe's has the impact wrench out of stock, but $129, no free battery. Acme Tools, $129, no free battery. Tool Up, $129, no free battery. Tool Barn, $129, no free battery. Did you spot the pattern? If you prefer, they also have the same deal for the 12V hammer drill, or you could get both, and then that would get you your free shipping. $79, and then the free 3 amp hour battery. Now here's another deal they have going on that I really like. It's the DeWALT 20V brushless compact reciprocating saw. This is the saw that I have had it for a long time now. It's amazing. I love this saw. Going from a full-length cordless DeWALT saw that was brushed to this one, huge difference. Way better than the corded one I had. I also have the Milwaukee hacksaw, the M12 version. This thing, light years better. I love this saw. Anyway, it's $149, but it also comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries. So again, we're going to add it to our cart. We're going to say no to the scam. Now here you can see both items are back ordered, which is really a shame because this sale just started today, but you can still order it. It'll still get shipped to you. It'll just take a minute, but you get your 2 4 amp hour batteries. You're getting your reciprocating saw, $149, and you can see with this deal, we're getting free shipping. If we look at some comparables, Home Depot's $132.45, no free batteries. $179, no free batteries at Lowe's. $149, no free batteries at Acme Tools. This item also has a second option, the DeWALT half-inch mid-range impact wrench, $179. Again, you're getting those 2 free batteries. Since we're here at Tool Nut, I want to touch base on 2 other DeWALT promotions they currently have going on. This is the free 20V max starter kit with 2 20V max tools, and the starter kit is 2 5 amp hour batteries and a charger. So you got to pick out 2 tools here, but those 2 5 amp hour batteries are pretty good. You get this and that deal, you got 2 5s, you got 2 4s, you got a whole day's work ahead of you. And then for this deal, we get a free bonus tool when we buy one of these kits here. You got an impact wrench, the paddle switch angle grinder, or the circular saw. Let's look at the circular saw. It's $279. Where can we see our tool options? Bam. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That doesn't seem right. We get a free Makita tool. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. What the hell's going on here? Okay. We got a 4 amp hour battery. We got the impact driver. We got the oscillating tool. Or we got the vacuum. Boy, not my favorite options. Boy, I just wouldn't do the deal. Of those 4, I guess I'm going oscillating tool. It's none of them are worth a lot. Boy, those tool options suck. So there it is, guys. A couple of amazing DeWALT deals over at Tool Nut. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscribe for another subscriber. I'll see you next time.